Eh. Kayole garage torai kayole.
Ngo kwana.
Chigari county toileta. No nyara ko torosel.
Torosinde.
Kayole bon.
Ngo kwa mna gawa. Mheshimiwa ngashi.
Alvin, how are you? Nengi ambiol.
Akimuga manya kuligirte goto kabona ye ada musani anakuye kambuya te bosonga bomanya.
Bona endugu. Ndoje olieta magoro ye jigali ga county Kayole. Nara liole.
Actually ngale workshop ya Nairobi. Ndubata na workshop Nairobi.
Igali ngakita bwati magoro ndikuwa liete.
Bona ga yo problem erone ye mamagoro. Amagoro amanyene ye gali yo babo mbaka. Na zero authorized je driver ngiri cha ga mara ntobwa tesu ya yokogoro mutogochi. Sio kama baira. And then mpaka actually urodi ka sabu na komo okwe gali yo torre tense batia magorande. Mpaka knows where they are.
Okay. Now when
I go to the Javan to Baja boy, and I don't there's no way now going to come.
Egali abel de ga for how long?
It is almost 5 years.
5 years. Me chande give what?
Is it there? Is it there? What they got yet? And the Gali didn't go on your rosy until the Wakan and these other pending bills. In fact, the none of what the Tino is Nani Abinja.
When are you coming down?
Next week I'm coming.
And take it, you come. I need a vehicle to be repaired. Internet to back to road. We pay you what is due. I'm a colleague and I'll deal with them because there is no way from 20. What are 5 years?
Yeah, almost 5 years. I bought even the part.
And it looks like it used to be a good vehicle. Yeah? Yeah? Internet to back to road. We pay you what is due. I'm a colleague and I'll deal with them because there is no way from 20. What are 5 years?
Yeah, almost 5 years. Because even me, I bought even the part.
And it looks like it used to be a good vehicle.
It's still a new vehicle. Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. Actually, I think you can put your county in the Border. I've been repairing the county. I didn't go about random one or some cabo. This of interior and go about random Nairobi. No Corande all over.
Chigari and Gachire garage and Nairobi chate.
A changombaru, that's a Nairobi garage. I then got 371 Vinjang, Jar, where a carum.
No, you be back. Let me see what the state of it is. Gali have fix ya kwerangi. It on the back of the road. These people need vehicles. They need new vehicles, and there is new vehicles they have dumped here.
Yeah, in fact, I think you can a Jorova. I think one of the young was to go here. No, let's say I did just small repairs. Talk about. Actually, one of 042. I think he has a good land rover.
No. Anything that is due for payment for as long as I haven't let them to your carriages, I will pay. I need you come and to sort this problem. You know, it's very unfortunate.
Yeah.
But people want us to buy new vehicles when new vehicles have been brought here 5 years down the line. Yeah.
It's not the problem too about before. Nandi is very actually gender as a friend. It's very county. Ama ngana transportation, transport nero, na uma transport nero kiri gendeze county. When the vehicles are repaired and moving, yani yakubara hizi na waga asiko correct. Unakarako ya jiga ajidambiri gara jiga gari aje service yaba bono mni ajiga just only the clutch.
A clutch.
The clutch gari ende para. So rojo no ira bono even me myself as myself can. Jabono you must do correct repair and then you pay me storage. Because gari ira tindo nyama kwa interest yo correct. You could repair.
Tell me, do you have anything of the county again?
No, I don't have anything else.
When are you back here?
I'm coming next week. Actually, the gang chain code, give me myself, then I'll give you the whole story.
Sasao.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your Excellency, we went around to all those machines. Even that one, we passed through that machine on that Friday. We finished very, very late, and when the guy talked to his people, they told him that we can see you the following day on Saturday. And then on Saturday, Your Excellency, I tried to book an appointment, but I didn't get one.
Can you look for him? Because I'm told that gentleman is around today. I want to get a feedback on these other many things. There is no way you will tell me a grade is here and mmeiweka hapo for over a year. Eti kwa sababu of how much was it to cost to fix the problem?
The seals are costing 150,000. Then we need labor cost. Maybe roughly around 350,000.
Which has made this machine to be here for over a year? It's the same thing of the other machinery from Gesika. Ombiro, I think you don't need to be in that office. I want an explanation. Who has failed to provide that money? There's so much that is being stolen left, right.
I'll give you a report.
Leo nataka nipate report ya hii. Sasa kusikia story nyingine. Hata miguu naona hii kitu imeisha. And sasa, but this is the bay that could be even used for service of our vehicles, isn't it?
It was made to take care of the fire engines for the repairs and maintenance.
But can I ask you, could we not use this bay for other vehicles, for servicing and everything?
Yeah, it can be used because not all the
time. Skiza, kama umeshindwa kazi uniambie. Hiyo story sitaki kusikia. This place hakuna vile mtawekeza hii maeke mashini hii. All the vehicles mnapeleka garages kwa sababu ya 10% kickbacks. Leo nataka kupata report ya hii ndugu yangu. Sasa?
Yes, Your Excellency.
Haya. Yeah? Be it 12, be it what? For Jogo. What happened? Where is it? I'm told the contractor moved out. Talk to Engineer Yaro, get reports. Listen, today I want to know what is the status report of that road and the payment. Na sitaki kuulizwa hiyo pesa again. Yeah, kama ni pesa ilikuwa ipelekwe. Sasa? Yeah, ipelekwe ilipe the contractors. Yeah. Okay.
Hapa alienda Nairobi. So nilikuja hapa juu kumshikilia.
Ulikuja lini?
Last month.
Amekuwa Nairobi for how long?
Ameenda kama 1 week hivi.
1 week?
Yeah.
Kwa hivyo umepata hii gari hapa?
Nimepata hii gari hapa.
Yeah. Unaambiwa hebu tufungulie hapa. Na unifungulie hiyo engine niangalie. Umekaa hapa muda gani wewe?
sijakaa sana.
How long?
Kama 1 month hapo.
1 month?
Nichukue kifunguo. Wale wa zamani hawako.
Eh.